there was an off-the-shelf Anchanto integration, which really helped with our retail setup, but also on the distribution side. The whole construction of our portal wouldn't have been possible without the API link that you have included with Anchanto. My name's Adam. I've worked at Revo Kitchens for 10 years. My main role is selling kitchens to retail customers, and I also help sell kitchens through our distribution side of the company called Revo Kitchens.
So my name's Edward Chalice, I'm a warehouse manager at Revo Kitchens and I've worked here for 10 years. We started out as a typical high street retailer and we were just doing special order kitchens. It would take 6 to 8 weeks, but now we've transitioned to more of an e-commerce outfit.
At Revo Kitchens, we sell German kitchens, but we're the only people in the UK who actually have German kitchens in stock. Prior to using Anchanto, we actually managed our stock on our accounting software that had a section where you could control stock to a degree.
I think in terms of flexibility, we like all of the different tools that Anchanto offers in terms of the movement of products in the warehouse and how you can sort of set your own locations. And we found it was also really efficient time-wise as well, because we take in big deliveries at once. To have a full delivery, which would take a day to process, has been really smooth and really accurate as well. So orders, ideally we'd like them coming through the portal. So the portal will feed an automatic, raise an automatic sales order into the WMS. We then assign it to a picker, and then once that's done, it moves then onto the packing states. So once you've done that, it literally is ready to go out to the customer. So once it's been loaded to the van, we then dispatch the product on the WMS and hand over to carrier. And then once that product's been delivered, it's just literally click delivered, and that will send an automatic email to say the product's been delivered as well.
Since we've set up Anchanto, we found our rate of errors on orders is a lot lower. But also when there is a problem, we're able to react and solve the problem a lot faster and a lot more accurately. The top 3 challenges we've solved with Anchanto is order accuracy, so reducing errors. We've also increased the speed of which we can process orders, and we're able to be really flexible with our stock management in our very large warehouse, which will be difficult otherwise.
Just in terms of the onboarding process, all of the information they provide you with, it's really clear, it's methodical, and by the time we started using the program, we were pretty confident with it because we felt that the material they gave us was more than enough.
Over the next 4 to 5 years, there's a lot of room for growth. We aim to provide a really, really good distribution service to customers all across the UK. For retail, our technology capabilities, we think, will give customers a completely new experience, and thanks to Anchanto, we've been able to address the requirements on these 3 different fronts. So I'm very hopeful for more growth over the next 4 to 5 years.